Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Need for Speed Heat, how to change the language. I show you guys how to do it. Just right click on the game icon and select open file location, and you need a application guys. Just check my video description, just select this link and this site will open up. Select the download notepad plus plus option, and after the download done click on it and install it. Like this option and select OK and select next, agree, select next, install and select finish option. And now in your game folder search ANADIUS, right click on the CFG file and select edit with notepad. Now scroll down. In language you can able to see this is the current language I have in game. To change the language, just copy, depends on your need. For example, I'm gonna change to French. Just copy the French language text and paste it in here in language right over here. And now select the file and select save option and close it off here and open the game. And as you can see, the language has been changed to French, and that's how you can change to any language. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.